afternoon and happy Thanksgiving to everybody off to Hive. I'm at Mrs. Nassau's property. Just to give you a synopsis of where we're at as far as building out the room. So we already got the framing done. Came by today just to drop all the pieces I could on the tile. I'm gonna have to cut everything around the edges. Let's go to the front. A little different from the original plan, but not too crazy. So we'll still be doing the 2 columns at the end, but the center, as I explained to her, be better not to go ahead and put that monstrosity of trim and everything around the column, and so that way the windows will just look naturally bigger, and she agreed on that. Monday, I got somebody else to come out and get ready to do these bricks. Thanks to Craig coming out and trimming out the windows for me. Hopefully we'll receive the glass inserts by next week. Let's see what over there. That'll be the next once I finish with the inserts. We'll go ahead and start tearing that out. But not that much more to go. A little time consuming, but hey, I think by the time I put the grout in it, it'll pop. Somewhat dizzying, but hey, it is what it is. Let's see what we got out here. Reset her box that we ended up covering the light fixture with and running the power out of there. We're gonna do that to match this all the way across, and the same thing on the inside. Maybe tomorrow, depending on how this tile dries, which I think it will be because it's gonna be hot. I'll do the shiplap next. All right, that's it. Thanks.